Hello friends, welcome back. We're here talking about rugged edge AI computing here at the Taiwan Excellence Booth 441, and I am so excited right now to be joined by Ginger from SINTRONES. Hi Ginger.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Can you tell us a little bit about SINTRONES in case the folks watching aren't familiar with you guys?
Yes, I'm from, by the way, I'm Ginger from SINTRONES Technologies, and we design and deliver edge AI applied computing for customers to accelerate industrial automation and also the smart factory initiatives.
Absolutely, right at home here at Automate 2026. What are you displaying today?
Okay, yeah, this year, Automate, we are showcasing some solutions include IBOX, ABOX, SBOX series that can, accelerate AI automation, and including machine vision with AI power and intelligent inspection, and also real-time analytics.
Absolutely. Now, there's a lot of companies doing rugged edge AI computing these days. What makes the iBox a little bit different?
Yeah, what makes our solutions unique? I think that's the combination of high-performance edge computing and also reliable for the industry computers, and of course the cybersecurity, and we have cybersecurity-rated. So for all those, the industrial automation.
Yeah, I know that you and the other companies here that have been brought in by Taiwan Excellence to Automate 2026 are winners of the Taiwan Excellence Award. How does that feel? I mean, what kind of an accomplishment is that?
Yeah, we feel very honored receiving the award for the IBOX 650, receiving Taiwan Excellence Award for the 2026, and that's validate our commitment to innovation, and as well as to fulfill and help customers to unlock the full potential of AI-driven automation.
That's incredible. Thank you so much, Ginger. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Don't go away, friends. Lots more coming to you on rugged edge AI computing here at Taiwan Excellence.